Indeed, it is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome you to the first ever AI Living Lab in India. We are very happy and fortunate that this initiative has been taken by GIZ, the German Development Corporation, under the Digital Skills to Succeed in Asia. We were the first university in India to sign up on this initiative a year back. Today, we are also signing up with CEP Competency Center at Leipzig University. Leipzig University has been doing this work for almost 3 decades. As you all understand and will agree to the fact that the role of the Skills University is developing thinking skills. And this has been an integral part of lab where we will be dedicating this complete lab in terms of solving the problems of the industry. The MSMEs in Maharashtra face a lot of problems. Today, the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Honorable Chief Minister of India has been talking of Vikasit Maharashtra and Vikasit
industry and create innovators. The whole idea of Living Lab is to keep solving problems, and the reason why we call it as a Living Lab is that there will be multiple actors who will keep coming into the lab and will keep solving problems which are longitudinal in nature. We have 5 MSMEs from Germany who have given the problem statements and who are going to be a part of this initiative. 12 students from Ratan Tata Maharashtra State Skills University are engaged in solving this problem with the help of GIZ and also Leipzig University. Select set of students will also have an opportunity to go to Germany and work on this problem statement. This will also bring competency and build capabilities of our students as well as our faculty members to solve the problems which are cross-border problems. So this is one of the initiative of this particular lab. We are also fortunate that we had some deliberations with MSMEs in last 1 month, and 5 of these companies have come forward with their problem statements. Also, it is observed that MSMEs know what the problem is. For example, the problem of energy efficiency, the problem of automation, and quality assurance. All these problems could be solved using artificial intelligence. Why RTMSSU? This is a question everyone is asking, why my university is doing this. I would like to mention here that under the able leadership of the Government of Maharashtra, Honorable Minister, Honorable Additional Chief Secretary, we have built world-class laboratories in the university. We have our own data center. We have AI laboratories in our Navi Mumbai campus as well as in the Pune campus. The idea is not to have just infrastructure, but utilization of this infrastructure besides the classroom teaching. And this is what these labs are going to be doing. And we will be in Marathi, as we call Kharitsa Vata, which is a small mini school. Contribution to the economic development of state of Maharashtra is what we do today, but we want to scale this up and make this state a state that everyone will be envious of, and skilled in Maharashtra will be the tag that the university students and also the ITI students will carry forward. With this, I welcome everyone, all the delegates who have come all the way from Germany. The Honorable Ms. Koffler, who traveled all the way and was here in India only at 3 a.m. in the morning, has made it possible to come here. Honorable Minister, who also has a very tight schedule in terms of a lot of things that are going on right now. Thank you, everyone. Last but not the least, I would say that our Honorable Chief Secretary has a lot of interest in the skilling domain. It is for the first time that since we started, Sir, Honorable Lodha Sir, that we started this university, the Chief Secretary has come in for any program. So thank you so much, Sir, for having taken out time. I welcome everyone today and hope that this launch of the lab goes a long way in terms of developing a Vikasit Bharat
that we all want this state to be. Thank you so much.